Hadien ke jingwan yashim bentah ke program play ke yingsa ki samla puli karbi halaban Shillong Menteri Rangba ke jela Meghalaya Conrad ki sangma lembat Menteri Rangba ke jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma kilaya kran ru halor ke jing penya cakmat ya ke kampen baitput ha ke phase 2 ha padeng gini ki arjela haba kran chikilat pathai kubor ha ke no pai sngi jong ka khatlai tere gunai luar arja arpulai kini ki arngut ki laong Hadien ke Dorbar Synrai ke ban Shillong ha kini ki arjela kan sabeteng biang ke jengkran bat andal pen bet pen biang kin sa hiar ru shaki jaka ban pen bet yau put usam.
We had a small discussion on the issues of border issue that is being discussed between the two states, and as you're aware that this is an ongoing process, and every opportunity we get to discuss the matter helps us to get to a better understanding. So with that objective in mind, we took this opportunity to sit together and discuss about certain situations, certain conditions and certain issues that were coming up and how we could possibly move forward. So this is part of the exercise, part of the process. There is no definitive outcome of it, and this exercise time to time will continue. So I thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and the CEM of the Kyrwoh Autonomous District Council and our Deputy Chief Minister who's heading the regional committee in Jaintia Hills region for their time, and we had a very positive discussion on the matter, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to slowly and steadily move towards a resolution and also ensure that there is peace in that area, and the different misunderstandings that are coming once in a while, we hopeful that we'll be able to resolve those issues.
We discussed the ongoing works on the regional committees. There are a lot of progress. Recently, we could finally agreed on the survey post of on Hahim. Finally, it has been resolved that both government of Meghalaya and Assam could agreed on the border post. So there are a lot of progress is happening on both sides. We discuss about confidence building measure too, but today as discussion was very unofficial and informal, we don't want to announce some decisions or something like that. Only thing is to say that this informal meeting will be followed by a formal meeting, and then of course whenever we meet formally we take some decision and we communicate to the press. So today meeting between the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya can be treated as one of the confidence building measure, and I'd like to request our people in the both side of border to maintain peace, harmony, because they must remember that we are working overtime to resolve the dispute. We want to keep the best interest of people living in the both side of the border in our mind. We want to protect interest of the people living in border. So be calm, remain in peaceful, remain in peace, help us. We'll try to resolve the dispute to the satisfaction of both the people of Assam and Meghalaya. What we want to do quickly hereafter, we want to sit in a formal meeting, and then probably we'll be able to take some confidence building measure, and with that confidence building measures we'll visit the border, because we thought that our visit should not create tension, because if we both CM goes to the area and after our return there is a fresh tension, then people will blame us. So we want to quickly do evolve some confidence building measures, and we hope to do that. That is why we said today. Thereafter we will have a formal meetings. Once that confidence building measures are formalized, we will both go to the site and we will discuss with the people of border village also. When we went to Lampi, there was lot of festivity. So we want to go to the Kyrwoh and Jaintia Hills also with the same kind of festivity. We'll discuss. My assembly is going on, and once a little bit of some political activities like assembly, something is going on in Assam. So I'd like to do it in the month of October. If Honorable CM can come to Guwahati in the first week of October, we can do. Otherwise in the second week of October. They are meeting now, but as we told you that this 6 area is a little bit complicated. So this regional committee, they are both headed by the matured people on both the side. They are working very hard. They are visiting those areas frequently, and we believe that everything will be settled in a most peaceful and amicable manner.